Hello and welcome to Devel Designz. Today I'm gonna take you around my golf course and I will show you what I pack in my golf bag. This is a basic preparation bag. I'm sure you guys will love to watch this video. This is the beautiful golf course that I go to. That's me, just smiling and having a good time. Oh, did I hit it so well this time? And let's get started. I will show you guys what I keep in my golf bag and what are the things, basic things that I take with me. First thing first, before we start on golf bag, I always have my hat and I put this ball marker. It just attaches, and whenever you want to mark a ball, you can just put this. My husband got this for me. It is magnetic and I absolutely love it. It has my initials on it. So obviously hat. And then I have this little purse which has all my essentials and keys. And then I also put my a little card holder, so everything stays in here. So I take this with me. And also a bottle of water. I'll just fill this up and take this and put it in my bag. For the bag, obviously you know all these clubs. I'm not gonna go into this. I try to take off their socks because I have had an episode where I have lost it. But and then when I come home, I'll just wipe all these clubs down with Clorox wipes or something, and then put the socks on, the gloves on. On this side of the bag, you'll see I have a towel to wipe off extra dirt if my clubs get dirty, and then we'll go look at the stuff from this side. I don't have anything on this side, and then let's see this side. I really don't have anything in there, and then I have an extra little jacket kind of a thing, like a light layer, just in case weather tends to become a little cooler. Where we live, weather changes all of a sudden, and you may need something like that. So let's go and see what's on my top stuff. So I keep like 2 protein cereal bars, one for myself and one for my fellow golfer. I have these essential hand sanitizing wipes and a Kleenex, just in case. As I said, it really becomes cold, and you may need this. Also, come spring, it's going to be an allergy season, and we may need to use those. So I just keep it on my top pocket here. And then I have this little pouch. It has all my extra balls in it. I just keep them. These are extras. You just put it there. And then I have 2 other pouches. I will show you what I put inside each. So I got this really cute one. So I keep my sunglasses in this. They are protected. They really stay well. These are my Oakleys. I love them. These are nice, and I just keep these inside. That way, chances are I can just take off and not forget my sunglasses. And then this side has another pocket, and you can see I have like other essentials. Like I have bandages, I have feminine need items, I have this pill box. It's really tiny. I have like few painkillers inside, and that's that. that goes inside. And then I have this beautiful pouch. It also has my initial and my name written down. This was made by my dear friend and gifted to me by my other friend. So this holds a special value. And I love little thoughtful presents that people give and share, and it's just nice to see and remind yourself of the love that you get. So without wasting time, let me open this and show you what I have inside. So it's a nice little pouch. I love colorful balls, so that way you can see them on the course, on the greens. It's easier to locate. So I have all different kind of colorful balls. I have a pack of Tic Tac. I have another ball marker inside. This is cute little ladybug, and then another pink one. These are my gloves. I tend to wear 2 gloves. It's just nice, and I just love that. Then I have this Sunbum facial mist sunscreen and little tea. I love this martini teas. These are called, and they are pretty solid, and I like these. I also have extra teas just in case if my fellow golfer needs, and also a small tea for a small range. So those two, all these are extra ones, they just stay in there. I don't need them as much. I don't need this as much, so I usually keep all these little things inside this bag. It stays in the bottom. I have one Sharpie sometimes, like I have a pink ball and my fellow golfer also has a pink ball, and then it's nice to write like my initial or whatever I want to write, but I usually initials or a number. So I just put this inside. So that goes inside. First goes all these things, then my Sharpie, which I don't use as much. Sunscreen goes inside, my Tic Tac, then goes my gloves, then goes my tea, and all the extra balls goes here. As you can see, I keep a lot of balls because I tend to lose a lot of balls. And that's okay, you know, everybody does their thing. So whenever I load up my golf cart, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take just this thing out and another pouch that is this thing out. I'm gonna take out sunglasses off of here, and that's it. And I leave my wallet in my one of the compartments here. So this goes in there, and then water bottle goes in there. So I just have to take out only a few things, and then I'm ready to golf. So let's put all this away. And I am ready to go. Okay, yeah, I am ready to go. I'll see you soon. Bye, good luck, and ciao.